All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Listing Playbook URL, put it into rem.ax URL shortener, and that's what I use so that I can track all the click-throughs that I get. And by using this URL, I can actually see all the contacts and leads I've created within one listing. So first thing we're going to do, open up a Listing Playbook. We are going to pick one of our properties. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, start promoting. As with all the others, I say go ahead and notify the agents by sending the email, notify anybody in your system with this new listing, all of that. This video, I'm leveraging social media with the digital promotion. I personally use the squeeze page link, and there is tracking in here. So that way I can always go up here to playbook results no matter what, and see all of the click-throughs, plus any lead is going to be labeled for this property just by using this link. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm taking it one step further. I'm going back and I'm using the URL shortener for rem.ax. I'm going to come over here, create a link, paste that, and typically I would, let me go ahead and, this is the listing. Let me view details. And I'm going to copy this address. If it'll just let me grab just the address. Come on, you got it. There we go. And back over here. And I'm going to go ahead and create. Now I have a URL. So there it is, it is case sensitive. So I want to edit this. And I always use the MLS ID because it is going to be different. It's all numbers. I don't have to worry about being case sensitive, and it's going to be easier for me to remember as I'm constantly promoting with any videos, adding it to your stories, because you can link straight to this link from stories, all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now I have it. Now, if you want to go one step further, this is the link I'm going to be advertising everywhere. This is the QR code. Maybe you want to download the QR code to put on all of the marketing materials. If you're doing just listed postcards, if you're doing flyers at the property, all of that, use the QR code. It's going to allow you to track all of the different links. And I know I have other videos on this. Obviously, we just did it. We haven't promoted it, but it is super nice. And when you get all of the tracking inside of the URL shortener, plus everybody is going to be inside of your results for using this link, which is basically the URL shortener. So now when you're promoting that listing, I want you to go over there, grab that squeeze page, go create your custom URL, download the QR code, and now watch the tracking begin. This is the best way. It's how I advertise all the listings. Hopefully that helps you, and I hope you get some leads. Talk soon.